This is what it looks like to row a boat across an ocean. 2 women, nonstop, unsupported. They have been at sea for 130 days, rowing 24 hours a day. They recently passed the 2,000 mile mark, meaning they have less than 2,000 miles left to go. So this is basically the home stretch. The home stretch might take a month, but that's relatively fast in ocean rowing. But things are getting really interesting lately. Any other race that we follow, they don't really pass by any other land before they get to their final destination. But Miriam and Jess are rowing to Australia, and they have to pass through a bunch of islands before they actually get to Australia. So the blue dot, this is where they're currently located. They were originally heading to Brisbane, but now they're going to Cairns. Just due to weather, they wouldn't be able to get far enough south due to weather, so they had to reroute. And if we zoom in, they are getting ready to come up on a couple of different islands. And they mentioned in a recent update that they're trying to head south to have the best path through this chain of islands, but the winds are coming from the south, so it's proving to be really difficult. And because of all these islands they're passing, they actually saw land. Like, well before they get to Australia, they saw one of these islands. They have been out in a sea of blue for months and months. And to see land, that's a big deal. Being closer to land also means they get more wildlife and more birds. They actually had to go on parachute anchor recently, which is the first time they had to do that. And that's because they're trying to head a little bit south to go through the islands, but the winds are coming from the south and the winds were high. So they just put the parachute anchor out to hopefully stop any progress of them being blown north when they're trying to head south. As you can see from this video, the winds have been whipping. Now that they're getting closer to landing, follow along for more ocean rowing updates.